How to become friends on Facebook without sending friend request. So if you don't want to send a friend request and if you want to be friends with someone, then first you can open up your Facebook application, and then you can simply go for the search icon which is on the upper right, and then simply search for a random person that you would like to add as a friend, or that you would like to message, that you would like to be friends with that person. So I have chosen this person for example. So if you don't want to tap on that add friend and if you don't want to add this person, then the only way to be friends with this person is simply going on the message bar which is on the right side of add friend. Tap on that and it will automatically take you to your messenger, and here it will automatically take you to the messenger chat, and from here you can simply send a message, for example hi, hello or something, and after that if that person is interested in you, then they will reply you back. So without adding them as a friend, if you want to be friends with that person, then this is the only way to be friends with that person, by simply going to message bar and then messaging them directly. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.